Yes, this is a trigonometric table in which we can find the values of different angles of theta, like sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta, sin theta, and cot theta. Okay, now these are the angles: 0 degree, sin 0 degree, sin 30, 45 degrees, 60 degree, and 90 degree. For all these, cos 0, cos 30, cos 45, 60, and 90. In the same way, 10, 0, 10, 30, 45, and go on. So, how can we find these values? See the blackboard. Take under root what 0 upon 4. What? Under root 0 upon 4 for 0 degree. Under root 1 upon 4 for 30 degree. Under root 2 upon 4 for 45. Under root 3 upon 4 for 60 degree. And for in the last is under root 4 upon 4 for 90 degree. Okay. If we divide 0 by 4, what will be the conclusion? If I divide 0 upon 4, 0 by 4, 0. Obviously it is 0. So what is the value of 0 under root 0? That is also 0. It means the value of under root 0 upon 4 is 0 and the root of 0 is again 0. So what is this? This is 0. It means sin 0 degree is what? 0. Okay. Now divide again 1 by 4. What is the under root of 1? 1. And under root of 4 is what? 2. Under root of 4 is what? 2. So in this one, 1 upon 2. If we find under root of 1 by 4 means root of 1 is 1 and root of 4 is 2. So the value of under root 1 by 4 is 1 upon 2, which is half. It means value of sin 30 degree is half. Clear? Okay. Now next one. This is under root 2 upon 4. Can we cut this one? 2 1s are 2 and 2 2s are 4. Okay. It means if we cut 2 and 4, 2 1s are 2 and 2 2s are 4. What is the value of under root 1? Again it is 1 and we can't, and the value of under root 2 is what? It is a rational number. So we can write 1 upon under root 2. Okay, because root 1 is 1 and under root 2 is a rational number, so we can write this value as 1 upon under root 2. Come to 60 degree. Under root 3 by 4. What is this? Under root 3 by 4. Okay, so what is under root 3? It is also a rational number. So write under root 3 and what is the value of under root 4? That is 2. So value of this, value of under root 3 upon 4 is under root 3 upon 2. And now come to 90 degree. So 4 by 4, under root 4 by 4. Can we cancel these 4 and 4? Yes. By 1. It means value of under root 1 is 1. So this is what? 1. And this manner we have find values of 0 degree, 30 degree, 45, 60 and 90 degree of sin theta. It means sin 0 degree is 0, sin 30 degree is half, sin 45 degree is 1 upon root 2, sin 60 degree is what? what? Root 3 upon 2 and sine 90 degree as 1. Clear? This is the basic one. Okay. Now for cos theta. For cos theta, okay, write all these values in reverse order. Write all these values in the reverse order. For cos 0 degree means value of 90 degree. Reverse of this one. So cos 0 degree is equal to 1. Cos 30 degree, reverse of this is root 3 upon 2. And again, in the reverse manner, this is 1 upon under root 2. And again, this is 1 upon 2. And this is 0. Reverse of the values of sine theta. It means if the values of cos theta is reverse of the values of sine theta. Okay. Now we have find what values of sine theta and cos theta. Now the turn for tan theta. Tan theta means we should divide the values of sine theta by cos theta. Sine theta by cos theta. If we divide 0 by 1, it means it is what? If we divide 0 by 1, it will become 0. It means the value of tan 0 degree is 0. Now for 30 degree, divide the value of sine 30 by cos 30. If we divide these two values, it means 2 से 2 cancel हो रहा है. So it is what? 1 upon under root 3. 1 by root 3. देखो यहाँ पे, if we divide these two values, दोनों का denominator क्या है? What is the denominator of these two values? 2, 2. They are cancelled. It means 1 upon under root 3. Now again divide these two values. Root 3, root 2 divided by root 2 से cancel. 1 से cancel. It means if we divide 1 by root 2 divided by 1 by root 2, it will be equal to what? 1. It means the value of tan 45 is 1. Again we divide under root 3 upon 2 divided by 1 upon 2. Root 3 upon 2 divided by 1 by 2. 2 and 2 cancel. It means it is root 3 upon 1 which is equal to under root 3. So that is what? Under root 3. Can we divide 1 by 0? Can we divide any number by 0? No, not possible. That is not defined. What is this? We can't divide any number by 0. It means it is ND. ND means not defined. Clear? So, these are the values of sine theta, cos theta and tan theta. Now, I am going to find the value of cos theta. Cosec theta. What is cosec? Cosec is what? Basically, cosec is reciprocal of, this is the reciprocal of sine theta. Okay. So, reciprocal of sine theta, sine 0 degree is what? 0. It means the reciprocal of 0 is again what? If it is 0, reciprocal 0 upon 1. Reciprocal of 0 is 1 upon 0. 1 upon 0 is what? Not defined. So what is this? ND, not defined. Reciprocal of half, 1 by 2 is 2 upon 1, which is 2. And reciprocal of this one, 1 upon root 2 is root 2 upon 1, that is root 2. Okay. And the reciprocal of root 3 upon 2 is 2 by root 3. 2 by under root 3. Okay. And the reciprocal of 1 upon 1, which is also reciprocal of 1 is always 1. So this is what? 1. Okay. Now cosec theta. Cosec means a reciprocal of, sorry, this is not cosec. Sec theta. Sec theta is reciprocal of cos theta. So reciprocal of 1 is 1 upon 1, which is again 1. Okay, reciprocal of under root 3 upon 2 is 2 upon root 3. Clear? And reciprocal of 1 upon root 2 is root 2. And the reciprocal of 1 upon 2 is 2 upon 1, which is 2. Okay, and the reciprocal of 0. 0 means 0 upon 1, which is 0 upon 1 means 1 upon 0, which is not defined. Clear? Now the last one is cot theta, and cot is what? Cot is reciprocal of tan theta. It means the reciprocal of 0 is what? 0 upon 1, which is equal to 1 upon 0, that is not defined. Clear? And reciprocal of 1 upon root 3 is root 3 upon 1, which is equal to root 3. And reciprocal of 1 is again 1. Clear? And reciprocal of under root 3. Under root 3 means under root 3 upon 1, and reciprocal of root 3 is 1 upon root 3. So it is 1 upon under root 3. Reciprocal of ND. ND means what? It is 1 upon 0. So 0 upon 1, that is also 0. So it is what? 0. So these all are the values of sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec and cot from 0 degree to 90 degree. 0 degree, 30 degree, 45, 60 and 90 degree. Okay. So these are these values are very important for calculation of few questions which I will give you later on. Okay. Thanks.